Suba nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Deputy Commissioner Jaka East Khasi Hills USC Sadhu mentaka sngi ka sitarik ujemang arajar arpusau ula lumnya ka Jinglong nagbenta banya kren halor ka mat ka day bat ka lum survey habaya kren bat kinong thok khubor hadin Jaka Jinglong nakaliang USC Sadhu ula ong bakibawan ban mi khmat na ka Defense State Office hagani ka Jinglong kidia tho bagidang Khmih banya hagabaya day bat kani ka Jaka Shesho halor ke mukot rumah ke badang ya japo ke ying bishar usadhu ulong baka don ke mukot rumah ke bedai bat ke Defense State Office bat ke ying bishar kan sapen bana harengkat ki sakhi ki babiang ke jingpun sngo kala dep ban long ho benai nok pra bat kan salong biang ha ke arpu hunyo tarik jong ujemang arajara arpusa Shesho usadhu ulong ru bakum ke district hi barak kawai ka kwa ban weng no yigini ki Jyllei Beaiñ halum survey Henry ban weng yegini ki kam Beaiñ Deputy Commissioner ulong bahak banwa jingtip bat pan ni ki jingdon kam baro no SP bat ban penlong ru yegi Jinglong harengkat ki seng bapher na benta ban Khmih benia yekani hagabe dei bla jing pendon kam yu drok usadhu ulong baka yeng bishar kadang yat sakmat ban penmi ya ka kaipot kumta kadang don kam bangin yat kat kum ka an halor kani la benrap usadhu.
So in this issue of the alleged illegal settlement in this Shillong Cantonment Board area, in fact, in this area falls under Defense Estate Officer Guwahati. So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact, we told them that we will write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far, so that they said that they showed us that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defense Estate Office. That is very clear. After this, when they issued a eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court has given stay order that the eviction has to be followed as per the law with due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defense Estate Office, that is to respond to the queries that is notice. So after this, we are expecting, basing on the discussion that we have discussed, a favorable decision in favor of Defense Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this law and order. So we'll come in day or two. In fact, they said that they will get it ready in one or 2 days. They will send that report to us. As of now, no, because as it is already in the court, so court has fixed 27th May as the date for the decision. So we are, as it in the subjudice, we are not going for any survey as of now. But as I said, they are sending the detailed report as per their survey, because they have already done the survey and they have demarcated the land also. And this title suit of the land is in favor of the Defense Estate Office of Guwahati. So they will share the details, and as soon as we get the report, and we will share it with you also.